Hey guys, so welcome back to DelveStack, and this is how to download the videos from Facebook Messenger to your computer. So guys, if you ever wondered how to download a video, of course, first go to your Messenger into your account, and now here on the Messenger, just simply go to the inbox of the person that have the video, or if you want to download a specific video. Now you can just simply go ahead and select the specific video that you want to download. For example, I have a sample video over here. Now from here, you should be able to see the download the icon at the top right corner. So guys, this is a default feature of the Messenger. So this is the feature that we could click, and right away, as you can see, we should be able to download it. And when you go to the folder over here, as you can see, it will be redirected to your downloads into your computer, and you can just simply go ahead and double click on it. And from here, you should be able to download the video. As you can see, it is a good quality as well. And there we go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.